You know what that means, don't you? Alright, new job, second day. Got Clint drilling here today, bit of a trench for a sewer. Started lunchtime yesterday, so he's doing alright. Just throwing out some debts, starting the loader up. Got Ben helping me, and it's going to be a big day. Thanks for watching. This is the 70-hole trench shot.
That was actually quite disappointing though.
Hi there, it's been a big morning. Ben and I have been very busy loading this shot. It's 2 rows of holes, and it widens out to 3 rows of holes. And there's 113 of them in total. Some of it, like where I'm standing, is very hard rock, almost right up to the surface. I'm going to put some cover over that, because that could very well lift up quite violently. And we don't want any landing on that house there. So thanks for tuning in, and sit tight. Get back to you real soon. 113 hole shot. Wow, that's lifted up just nice. That's what I want. It's come up about 700 millimeters, which will be satisfactory. Glad I put the cover over that bit. Oh yeah. So the dig out of the long trench has just begun. This is the last hole here. And we stopped drilling at this point because we'd been informed the pipe past here was already laid. And well, it hasn't been. And there's rock there. Such is life. Alright, looks like it's fairly broken up. There's a bit of rock coming out, which is really good. So, seems quite successful so far. Ricky's a bit camera shy. No, he's not camera shy at all. Monday morning. This is the end of the trench where I stopped the drill rig. You can just see one of the last holes, the stemming in the overburden there, and where the rock's broken or ceased to be broken, that's of course where the drilling stopped with the big drill rig. So dug it out, there was no pipe, so it's hand drill time. Happy days. 20 hole shot to finish off the end of the sewer trench. Slow. Yep. That one's going. Okay, about to start digging out. Lunchtime yesterday's shot. This bit of trench here that leads up to this pit. Let's see how we went. It went pretty well. It sort of seemed to lift all right. Oh yeah, it's broken. Well, that blowed up real good. Well, there it is. That'll do it. Now we'll just fill it in until the pipe guys come along. Thanks, Ricky.